Best meal prep recipes for weight loss. Meal preps are useful for losing weight because it makes dieting so convenient. Meal prep is so much easier to stick to as a diet plan. However, not all meals that are good for prepping are good for weight loss. Always make sure to use healthy ingredients that will give you the nutrients you need to feel full and lose weight. Here are some of the best meal prep recipes for weight loss that are nutritious, delicious, easy to prepare, and easy on the budget. Mango Chai Pudding. Ingredients: half a pound ripe mango cut into chunks, 1 3/4 cup coconut milk, 6 tablespoons chia seeds. Procedure: prepare 4 small jars. Take half your ripe mango chunks and divide equally among the jars. Take the remaining ripe mango chunks and process in a blender with the coconut milk until smooth. Add 1 1/2 tablespoons chia seeds to each jar. Pour blended milk into the jars, dividing equally. Place the lid on each jar and shake so that the contents are properly combined. Keep in the fridge. It should be ready the next morning and should keep for about 4 days. Apple Pie Oats. Ingredients: 1 1/3 cup rolled oats, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half a cup walnuts chopped, 1/4 cup raisins, 1 1/3 cup unsweetened applesauce, 2 cups unsweetened almond milk. Procedure: prepare 4 small jars. To each jar, add 1/3 cup rolled oats, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons walnuts, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1/3 cup applesauce, and 1/2 cup almond milk. Place the lid on each jar and shake so that the contents are properly combined. Keep in the fridge overnight before eating. These should keep in the fridge for up to 5 days. Cobb salad. Chicken ingredients: 2/3 of a pound chicken breast fillet, salt, ground black pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salad ingredients: 4 eggs hard-boiled, 4 strips of bacon, 1 15-ounce can chickpeas drained, 1 pint cherry tomatoes, 4 ounces cheddar cheese cubed, 2 ounces mixed greens washed and dried completely, half a cup ranch dressing. Procedure: gently pound chicken breast fillets to even out thickness among all pieces. Rub each fillet with salt, pepper, and paprika. In a frying pan, heat olive oil. Fry chicken fillets in a medium heat for approximately 5 minutes on each side until all pieces are cooked through. Transfer cooked fillets to a chopping board. Let sit until it cools enough to handle, approximately 10 minutes. Chop into small strips and keep in the fridge until the rest of the salad is prepared. In 4 containers, start building the salad by pouring 2 tablespoons dressing to the bottom of each. Divide the chickpeas and tomatoes equally among the containers. Add the refrigerated chicken. Crumble bacon over the layers or add as a whole piece. Add the cheddar cubes. Cover with mixed greens. Simply shake the closed container before enjoying. This should be kept in the refrigerator for approximately 4 days. These are some of the best meal prep recipes for weight loss because they are nutritious and will help you feel full without consuming too many calories. Keep them in your fridge for whenever it's time for a meal, so that you don't find yourself reaching for unhealthy fast foods. Soon enough, you'll notice not only how much weight you've lost, but also how much healthier you feel because of these meals. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.